look what we finally got here. Alright, finally got the tubes here after 2 weeks of waiting. Welcome to the channel, guys. We have finally gotten the tubes for the go-kart, as you guys can see over there. And now we can finally finish up the go-kart. So all we have to do today is just get the back tires on. I gotta get the rims out of the one tire there. And then other than that, just put the tube inside the rim, inside the tube, the tire here, and just put the rims on, and then bolt it on. All right, ready to go. So let's go get the tires on, and then fill them up there. So I got the tubes here, I got the rims here, I got the tires here. So do it the front tires. Let's see, I do it that way. So take this, fold it inwards, stuff it in, and then unfold it. And then, you're pretty much done with that. And now, what you gotta do is see which one has the hole for. There it is. So you have a hole here that has to go to there, and then stuff this through here. Alright, so actually, the rear tires are actually easier to do, because they actually, I guess I don't know why they're so much easier to do. Like I said, it might be due to the fact that these rims on the front are not made, they're made to be regular tires, not tube tires. They're tubeless, but I put a tube in them because that's just how they are. But other than that, oh, there's a wash. So this, I don't think it does not matter where you guys go, but I'll put you on this tire first. Hold on. Alright, one tire's on, another one to go. All right, let me pull this thing out and then I'll finish up everything else on it. So I got most of the bolts in that tire. So you gotta finish that up. Just couldn't see where I was putting inside the hole. All right, had to find this guy here. Oh, I put those over here. Now let's fill these guys up here. I need more pressure, so now to find this thing, charge out the compressor, but now we can finally. All right, let's put some air in this tire. Right there, that should be perfect. Alright guys, so we got the tires on. Get the tires on, all the tires have air in them. That's all finished. I put some grease on that. It's gotta screw the seat in, but I gotta find the screws for it originally. But so we can get a test drive now. So we're done here, so let's start up the engine and let's see how this thing runs.